Now, somehow this year, and I'm usually very careful about this sort of thing, I missed out on the perk of visiting a favourite food shop for Radio 4 in the run-up to the Food and Farming Awards. If I had been given the chance this year, I'd have probably headed to a cheese shop, but Charles Campion and Fiona Beckett beat me to it. They're judging this year's awards, and they've been to North Yorkshire to visit one of the businesses that could pick up the prize for Best Retailer.
We're buzzing along the A65 towards Settle and the Courtyard Dairy.
We're really expecting the cheeses to be quite a different level from what you would find in the average supermarket. So here we are at the Courtyard. We're standing by a babbling fountain, which is very pretty. We've got stone buildings all around us with some very fancy shops, of which the Courtyard Dairy is one. It's a small place. I kind of expected it to be bigger.